What's up YouTube, Crafty Cars here, happy Tuesday. Now today marks day 2 of the Racing Simulator build series, so let's see how much we can get done today.
And it goes a little something like...
Alright, so starting off, I've got some good news. We found a seat for our simulator. Some of you guys might recognize this seat. It is one of the front seats out of a FC RX-7. This one specifically came out of Gideon's 1986 Pt.2 RX-7 that he's doing the LS swap in right now. So for that chassis, he's using the 10th anniversary seats, so he no longer needs these original stock seats. But I'm very excited to use these in the simulator since they're in really good condition, especially for a seat from the 80s. There's no rips, no tears, no any weird like human slime or stains or anything like that. So very excited to use these, and it's very comfortable and holds you pretty tight as well. Haven't felt that in a while, so that should be nice. All right, so before we can install the seat, I kind of have to finish up the base of the simulator here. So I've got some pre-cut pieces of 2x4. I'm gonna go ahead and screw this together to make a nice platform. And then in order to mount up the seat to the wooden construction here, I plan on screwing in some 2x4s using those factory holes on the RX-7 seat rails. Basically, I'm gonna be designing this as I go to make sure that the seat is in the right position for me with some adjustability in case any midgets wanna try the simulator. Alright guys, so I got the seat mounted exactly where I want it. I was almost done with the framing and ran out of wood screws. And currently it's midnight, so I can't just run to Menards and get some more. But what I do have is some black carpet and some black spray paint. So we can get started making this rig look really nice. On top of that, my computer screen came in the mail today. So maybe I'll be able to mount that up, hook up all the electronics, and maybe we'll take this thing for a test drive today. Alright guys, so we just finished installing the last pieces of carpet. I went ahead and threw my wheel and my new monitor on there just to see how everything looks. And I am super happy with it. So right now, I'm kind of going with like a black on black on black theme. But I was talking to a couple buddies and it sounds like I might want to spice it up with some accent colors. What I'm thinking is putting some LEDs along kind of that sideboard there and that little groove there. And then obviously I want to put some LEDs under here so you can see what's going on with your feet once I got my pedals put in there and everything. But overall, Super stoked on this. It took me a lot longer than I thought. It's been quite the process. All right, and my roommate just got home, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the monitor and the wheel off, and we're both gonna take this thing and hopefully carry it up to my loft area upstairs, bringing this thing inside. It's a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be, so this should be quite the struggle. And would you look at that? We got it up here. It wasn't too hard. It is heavier than I thought, but with my roommate's help, we got it up no problem. And it's nice since it's only 2 feet wide. You can fit it through any doorway, carry it up the steps and stuff, and it's not too hard. I went ahead and hooked all the peripherals back up to my laptop so we can go ahead and give this thing a test. And just in case you wanted to see how I fit in this thing, there you go. Very comfortable for me. I've got the wheel and pedals set up exactly where they would be as if I was driving, you know, any basic sports car like a Honda Civic or Lexus SE300. But what's nice about this simulator, since we're using the factory seat rails off of Gideon's real nice cushy FCRX7 seat, is we've got quite a bit of adjustment. So say I was a midget, slide the seat all the way up here, or if I was LeBron James, I'd slide it all the way back here. Unfortunately, I'm neither of those things, so I keep it right in the center. All right, let's take this thing for a spin. All right, so I don't know if I've mentioned it yet, but the simulator is Assetto Corsa for PC. I'm running a Thrustmaster T300 RS GT wheel and pedal setup here. This vehicle I'm drifting is a SC300 convertible drift car. And yeah, let's see what it does. Oh. Change the views for you. Yeah, everything feels really nice, very comfortable, which is very important since I'll be sitting this for a while. God, I wish I had my e-brake for times like this. That was on purpose, obviously. It definitely could be a lot smoother, but I've had this thing set up for like 10 minutes, so take it easy on me. This is a lot of fun. So that was a wall tap. I did that on purpose. That's very popular in the drift scene to do, obviously. So there's a quick lap for you just to kind of show you how everything handles, how it all sounds, how it all feels. yeah, maybe in the future I'll do more videos, kind of showing off, doing more like actual like recording the screen. I'll have some nice audio setup and everything, but this is just gonna give you guys a little taste of the simulation lifestyle. Alright, so that about wraps it up for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the simulator get put together and tested out. If you have any ideas for any future modifications or anything we could do as far as content for the future, don't be afraid to leave a comment down below. I'm really looking forward to get some more seat time and making a couple more modifications to this thing myself, so super stoked on that. Yeah, I suppose as always, make sure you're checking out Friday's videos. Gideon is balls deep in that LS swap and you're not going to want to miss a single detail of it. Yeah, I suppose next time I see you, it'll be after Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you next Tuesday. Bye!